let's start with some of these scenes, and the first one I want to start with is rewards. So in here, I'm going to need to have my game manager, and I don't think I need a scene manager in here. Yeah, I do. The scene manager is going to take all the information from the game manager and tally it all up and then store all the points. So let us get the object and let's call this rewards. There will be graphics in here as well, so I'm going to need a canvas. And then I'll need a script. Create script, and let's call this rewards. To which I will place this on the rewards object. And then wait for everything to refresh. Lovely. Now I'll need a link to my GM. And semicolons are always good. Save. Right. So once I have that, let's get over to the rewards page. And in order to do that, I need all of my scenes in one place. So I've got game, game end, intro, rewards, tutorial. Let's put intro at the top. Intro at the top. Tutorials, then game, then rewards, then game end. All right. In the games, we're going to need game manager. We need to say using Unity engine dot scene management, so that when we end the game, check color, expand, wrap up level. So if I wrap up the level, I'm going to go scene manager dot load scene, and I want to load scenes, comma, rewards. I think that's what I named it. Obviously, there's going to be more animation and everything else. As I keep saying, I'm going to leave that to the end. Rewards. Okay, so if I go and play the game now, oh wait, hold on. This is rewards. Sorry. Rewards, canvas, event system. I need to go back to game. Save. And I got a nice warning, and that warning was about my boundaries, I think. Index was outer range. 221. What's on 221? 221 is here. what are we looking at? Oh, okay. That's the picking of a piece. Now, obviously, okay. I'll fix that when I get to it. Let's just do a test and see if we actually hop scenes. All right. You do that. And we just went to a new screen. Thumbnail rewards. Good. Actually, when I end the game, I could remove wrap up, wrap up, wrap up. I'm going to remove the interface. So that will be what do I call the canvas? No. Canvas is called okay, so I have a link to score canvas. So I have a link to the score canvas anywhere. Score canvas. Yep, HUD canvas. I can remove that. That will be done in wrap up. HUD canvas dot set active defaults. Alright, so it's going to hide the canvas. When the game starts, Scene Manager should unhide it. The Game Manager, I think I'll just go with this. Game Manager is only going to start in here. Okay, so I cut that, drop that there, drop that there, blow up everything, and we head over to the next place. See there, that edge collider, it's missing. Okay, so in rewards, let's just add a button to go back. So button, and I'm going to use this rewards script to do everything. Oops. Rewards. So in here, rewards, let's get back. Using engine dot scene management public void and rewards, and this is just end rewards. This will just be scene manager dot load scene scenes game. I think that's what I called it. Game. Alright, so when I press press that button, I'll just go back to the game. And for the next round. So first things first. There we go. Transform. Nope. Huh? Rewards. Put the reward script on it, didn't I? I did not. I thought, where did I put the reward script then? I know I put it somewhere. No, it's not on here. Um, oh well. Alright, so I will just scripts. I will just take the reward script. I swear I put it on something. So now the button will work. Rewards. What did I call it? String. Look at. Did I set it to public? Yes. Public, void, and rewards. Rewards. Reward script. There. Oops. There. I don't know why I didn't see it just now. Going blind and forgetful stuff. Scenes. Game. Play. Okay. Now let's see what we have to do. Before I head over, my laid tiles is 0 because I blew them all up. I didn't toss any tiles. Spawn position's gone. I can get that back. Current tile is none. Next piece number was 4. If I go back, these two, I need to reset them. Let me make a list of all things that need to be reset. And I'm going to reset them in the scene manager. And I'm also going to need my pen so I can find it. Okay, so I've got a list of all the things I'm going to need to reset whenever I go into a new scene, a new game. So right now I can just get out of that. And let's go to our scene manager. And I'm just going to create something called public void, just in case I need to access it somewhere else. Public void level reset. That should be good. And for this, first things first, I need the spawn position in here. So public game object spawn position. Here's my scene manager, and that's my spawn position. There it is. Save. And spawn position is going to be equal to my spawn position. First one, gem dot next game int is going to be equal to 0 gem dot next game tile is equal to null gm dot next piece number. Set that to 0. I think I set to 0. Oops. Stupid things. Where is my analysis stuff? It's not the right place. Properties, lists, come on. Okay, forget that. Let's just go back to here and scripts. Open back my GM. And the GM, let's see. Where was it? It was, I don't set it there. I set it in start. Timer running. No. Start it. So I don't set next piece number. Right. I set to 0. Okay, good. Back to here. Next piece number. I set it to 0. Alright. First piece. GM dot first pick is true. And GM dot first piece is true. And GM dot open ends is 0. GM dot link pairs dot clear GM dot links to open dot clear. So let me just do my lists as separate things. GM dot objects to delete dot clear and GM dot create tiles clear. Okay. So, move camera equals false. So this is where I start the countdown. Timer running is true. Nope. Timer is running is true. No, I'm going to come back to this because the that line that just printed, GM dot time remaining, which that should be done before I start the timer. So time remaining is going to be equal to, and it's going to be something, but because I have to add time and delete time according to my rewards and my purchases. So I have time remaining equals that. All right, what else is there? Right. I also need public escalator to the PC. So my edge collider, scene manager, boundary. Save. So gm dot ec is equal to ec. All right. What else? Ah, 0. I think I've got most of it. At time remaining, the default is 90, but I'm going to come back to that after I've done the rewards. So this needs to be run awake. Clear that. Available tiles. That also I can put in there. See there, we got our toss tiles and our available tiles. There's our toss tiles. So available tiles is a list. I'll add it to this. Save. And that should be level reset. So let us try and see what happens. I get an error right off the bat. Okay, object reference not set to an instance of an object. M208. Why is that? So get my error. And the error happened. Get my game manager. Got my levels here. So I'm on level 1. Alright. Points, levels, laid tiles, spawn position, current tile, none. Next game in is 0. Next game tile is none. I have from the start told it to. Alright, first things first. Game manager. I'm going to clear this out. None. Apply. Add boundaries. So I can just revert, 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 revert. So I want to set it up at -4. I think I do that in here anyhow. At the start, don't I? I do not. Timer is running. Spawn position started. Timer is running. 30 minutes and seconds. So my scene manager top boundary equals 2, bottom boundary equals -2. Okay, I think I did 4. Do 4. 4. GM dot left boundary equals -4. GM dot right boundary equals 4. That all happens after that. So let's hit play again and get our error again. Okay, so the boundaries put in, all of those things are done. My timer is counting down, the timer is set to running. Hold on. That is not right. Where is my game manager? Is here. Start. Timer is running is true. Nope, I do not set it in here. Spawn position. Also, don't set that there. Start it. Save. So commence game. After I do all of those things, I will do gm.commence game. Alright, so the game manager. Okay, first pieces, yep, that's good. Next piece number 0, next game tile. I have not picked. Oh, that's okay. I think right. Let's go back to Game Manager. Next game tile is the image, right? Sorry. So next game tile should never be set to null. After that, save. Alright, because it didn't have a place to save the image when I picked it. So let us try this out now. Play. And no errors. Okay. And I'm done. I'm going to go back. Okay, I've got those things, but I need to turn on. So on level reset, once I do all that, commence game will turn it back on, which was what did I call it? HUD canvas. So if I start typing canvas, it's all the way down the bottom, but HUD canvas set active is true. Play. I'm going to toss that one. Take that one. And boom, 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 boom. Aha. I know what I wanted. When I ended it, when I go to the game and wrap up level, I'm gonna do next game tell dot sprite equals null. It wasn't the next game tile that was to be null. It was the next game tile sprite that was to be null. And okay, so we can go to the rewards page and come back, and it'll start a new one. Um, Obviously, I will increase the level. I will tally the points. So I just want to be able to come into. So for instance, my intro scene, do a canvas with a button on it. Do a actually tutorial. So our tutorial will have no game manager. The game manager starts when the first scene starts. So this button is going to take the script here, tutorial, start game, save. So let's give this a test. And seems the game starts up fine. And I click on that. And that goes to rewards page. Back to the game. Everything seems fine to me. Oh, hold on. 4? Is that, oh, okay. Alright. So we can start the game up going from tutorial into the game, going to the rewards, and then going back to the game, it starts back up again. So we seem to be fine for all of those things. Um, in the next video, we will work on the rewards page to take everything that the game manager brought into the rewards page and to tally up the points. I also remembered that under my scenes, I need another scene. Let's call this purchases. This is where I'm going to be able to purchase more time or increase the amount of tiles that I have. If I run out of tiles, game's over. So I want to increase my amount of tiles. And when I run out of tiles, whatever time is left is going to be at half the points. So come back to the next video to check out the rewards page.